16 sets of free printable baby shower invitations. My Fabulous Life has designed these colorful floral baby shower invitations that can either be used on their own, or with the other free printables for a storybook-themed baby shower. Here are some free baby shower invitations that would be great for a baby shower that has a woodland animal theme because they have an adorable fox on them. These printable baby shower invitations were designed by the TomKat studio for Pottery Barn Kids. You'll get a complete baby shower theme when you download the invitation and bookplate for this book-themed baby shower. Here are both It's a Girl and It's a Boy free printable baby shower invitations by I Still Love You. Rustic Honey has designed a very basic printable baby shower invitation that you can customize with the mom-to-be's name, the when, the where she's registered at, and an RSVP contact. This free baby shower invite from Greetings Island has a beautiful floral wreath surrounding the title, Baby Shower. There are 4 different color schemes available for this shower invite. Here's another set of wonderful baby shower invitations that were created by the TomKat studio just for Pottery Barn Kids. You can choose to print them blank or with the template fields so you can fill in the name, date and time, location, and RSVP details. This adorable baby shower invitation is available with a blue or a pink rain cloud and border. Pink peonies decorate this beautiful free, printable baby shower invitation designed by Uplifting Mayhem. Paula Biggs at Frog Prince Papery has designed this colorful free baby shower invitation with colorful balloons and banners that say, "She's about to pop." These free baby shower invitations from Easy Peasy and Fun are designed with colorful dots and banners and come with either pink or blue text. The lucky recipients of these baby shower invitations will be greeted by a blue, yellow, and brown invitation with a cute giraffe. Peridot Designs has created a lovely set of free printable baby shower invitations for Oh My, that feature some very cute owls. These printable baby shower invitations are so adorable and would be perfect for a girl, boy, or surprise baby shower. Oh Happy Day has created a very unique baby shower invitation that they are giving away as a free download. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.